Traditional Chinese pork and corn porridge recipe. Porridges are the essence of a healthy diet. The Chinese people love to have porridge almost 3 to 4 times a week. Traditional Chinese pork and corn porridge is one of the healthiest and most delicious soups that you will ever come across. It takes about an hour to prepare and cook the porridge. This porridge is cooked in China traditionally since the 18th century. This porridge is served when hot and is a complete meal that gives you a happy stomach. Preparation time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Serving, 4. Ingredients. 1. Vegetable stock, 2 cups. 2. Crushed garlic and ginger, 2 tablespoons. 3. Salt, to taste. 4. Black pepper, to taste. 5. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. 6. Dried white wine, 1 cup. 7. Onion, 1 cup. 8. All-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons. 9. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. 10. Chopped pork strips, 2 cups. 11. Corn kernels, 2 cups. 12. Chinese 5-spice, 1 tablespoon. 13. Bay leaf, 1. 14. Fresh chives, 2 tablespoons. 15. Coconut milk, 1 cup. 16. Rice, 1 cup. 17. Chopped dill, 1 cup. Instructions: 1. Take a large saucepan. 2. Add the oil and onions into the pan. 3. Cook the onions until they turn golden brown. 4. Add the crushed garlic and ginger into the pan. 5. Add the spices and chopped pork strips into the mixture. 6. Add the all-purpose flour, soy sauce and dried white wine. 7. Add the vegetable stock and corn kernels. 8. Cover the pan with a lid for 5 minutes. 9. Let the ingredients cook properly. 10. Add the milk, rice and the rest of the ingredients into the saucepan. 11. Add the chopped fresh dill on top. 12. Serve the porridge when hot. 13. The dish is ready to be served.